At Thermax Serve, we take immense pride in bringing our expertise to more than 1,000+ customer base of Thermax boilers in Middle East. This extends not only to Thermax boilers but to boilers of all make. What we do in Thermax Serve is spare parts management, annual services that we provide. More importantly, with an ever-growing need for fuel economics and a fuel shift, we provide retrofit solutions on combustion engineering, things like burner management systems, low NOx burners, high efficiency burners. These are some of the services on retrofit and revamps which are provided by Thermax. Apart from this, at Thermax Serve, we also provide waste heat solutions. We look at various waste heat energy sources within your plant, and we try to recover that heat and make it into a usable form for your process requirements. Our latest offering, which is being showcased over here at the Gulfood Expo, is our Effigain panel, which is enabled with Edge Live, which is an enterprise enhancement solution. This panel records all the parameters of your boiler. It is IIoT-enabled. It sends the data to our cloud, where we perform various analysis on the manner in which your boiler is operating and provide usable insights for your operating team to run the boiler more efficiently. I would request you all to explore some of the solutions that we provide in combustion engineering, in waste heat recovery, and the latest technologies on the Edge Live platform for your benefit and a mutually sustainable relationship.